Here I am solving sixth problem of introductory problem of CSES website. The problem's name is number spiral. A number spiral is an infinite grid whose upper left square has number 1. Here are the first 5 layers of the spiral. The task is to find the number in row y and column x. Let us see the input. If the input is 2, 3, we have to find the number on row 2 and column 3, which will be second row and third column 8. If input is 1, 1, then first row, first column it is 1. Input is 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth row, second column, the answer is 15. So the pattern we are going to use here is the sum of n consecutive odd number is always a perfect square. For example, here the first number is 1. If we add the next odd number 3 to it, we will get 4, which is a perfect square. The next odd number is 5. 4 plus 5 is 9, again a perfect square. Next odd number is 7. 9 plus 7 is 16, perfect square. 16 plus 9, 25 is again a perfect square. So let us code this. Number spiral. First of all, we will take input n equal to integer input. Second input will be the rows and columns. ls equals to integer I for I input dot it. Here we are having multiple line input, so we are going to use list of list. For a in range n. Now what we are going to do is we are going to check which one is bigger. First one means x or y. So for I in range n, ls no first y comma x equals to y will be ls of I comma 0, it will be y coordinate, and x coordinate will be ls of I 1. Now we will check if which one is bigger, y or x. If x is greater than y, what we will do is we will check if x is an odd number or even number. X modulo 2 equal 1. If it is odd, we will print x into x minus y plus 1, and if it is odd, then, and if it is even, then what we will print is x minus equals to 1, x minus equal to 1. We will print x into x plus y. Now for second case, if x is smaller, then we will check if y is modulo 2 equal 0. We will check if y is even. Y is even, we will do same procedure, print y into y minus x plus 1, else will print y minus equal to 1, and now we will print y in y minus plus x. Thank you for watching the video.